When this party congress was over and the resolutions which were passed, it was obvious that no Jewish person, full Jewish person, half Jewish person, third Jewish person, fourth Jewish person, eighth Jewish person, because that's the way the Nazis did it in their family history. It was obvious that none of us could make a living. We would be squeezed out of the economic and political and scientific life of the country. So we knew after 36, if we, particularly young people like me, if we wanted to remain alive economically, we had to go. The fact that we should have considered being killed in a few years did not occur, because nobody expected it, nobody knew it. The German authorities had no qualm for the Jews to leave, with one restriction: as long as they left everything behind that they owned, which included even their furniture and so on. Some people were able in the earlier years to take some furniture out, later on not. You couldn't take any money out. I left with $10, which was a standard amount, and I arrived in the United States with $10.